QA teams today spend more time maintaining test automation than actually validating software quality. As applications evolve, test scripts break, regression cycles expand, and automation becomes difficult to scale. Manual updates, repeated fixes, and growing test suites create delays across every sprint. That's where AutoTestIQ helps. It uses AI agents to automate the entire testing lifecycle, from test creation to execution and regression. The test case generation agent creates structured test scenarios from requirements, Jira tickets, screenshots, and workflows. It identifies functional flows, validations, negative paths, and edge cases automatically. The AI-based test recording agent captures real user actions and converts them into automation-ready scripts. The automated test execution and regression agent runs Playwright-based tests, manages retries, validations, and generates detailed Allure reports. With AutoTestIQ, QA teams deliver up to 75% higher ROI over time, while achieving 80% test coverage through intelligent test optimization. Transform software testing with AI agents that integrate seamlessly with your project management platforms. Book a demo now.